extend a warm welcome to our esteemed judges, Mr. Abhinay Prakash Singh from Dr. Viren Sarup Public School, Govindnagar, Mr. Ajay Pathak from Viren Sarup Education, Amarpuri, and Mr. Anuj Pratap Singh from GPS Barla. Ms. Garima Chopra, Principal from PR Rajiv Public School, as an observer, teachers and participants. Let us begin by inviting our Principal Ma'am, Dr. Geeta Saxena, and our other dignitaries to light the ceremonial lamp, symbolizing the beginning of this beautiful